Now turn up.
Hey, what's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Okay, guys, it's that time. Yay! It's time for one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. So last month he wasn't able to do the craft challenge because he was too busy, so I did not have a challenge for last month. But this month I'm going to show you what he made with the comic books that he challenged me to make something with a comic book, and I will show you what I made, and then I will also be unboxing this month's box. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, so when I got my box, I was so shocked because it is quite big. This is a big box. Got me super excited and then super curious. What's inside? So let's open this bad boy up. I did already cut the tape, but I didn't open it because I don't want to spoil anything. Ugh. Okay, so on top here, oh, that's what's in my box. Oh, and this is a craft item challenge. So we're going to set that aside because that's all going to be happening, later in the video. So then I also want to make sure that I made you guys aware he does have, this subscription is available on Cratejoy, okay? So if you go to cratejoy.com, type in the Heroes Tower, you can find the subscription box and you can pick out the option that works best for you. Everything that I'm unboxing in my particular box are things that are catered toward what I like. So just please be aware that this box has other options, and if you don't see an option that you like on the Cratejoy website, reach out to Chad, the owner, and there'll be an email that you can reach out to him at and see if he is able to customize a box towards the things that you like. Okay, so just want to point all of that out there, and here we go. Let's see what's happening in this box. We'll set this stuff aside. Oh my gosh, what is that? Craft item challenge. New craft item challenge plus new craft item. Okay, so we'll do this last. All right, guys, we'll set that aside. Let's see what's happening. Oh my gosh, this box looks so super fun. What is happening? Oh my gosh, I can't, guys. All right, let's open this right here. Are these repositional stickers? So yeah, they're like window clings, but they're Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle window clings. I can't, guys. Oh my gosh, this one of them stacked up is too awesome. I mean, they should be on America's Got Talent. Hello, look at that. That is so cute, right? That is adorable, guys. I'm so super excited. This is going to be fabulous when I do all of my geeky crafts that are coming up very soon, guys. I promise. I already started working on it, and it's going to be so incredibly fun. I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store for all of my geeky crafts. And Chad has given me plenty of ammunition. That's why I love this box, to make some awesome things for this holiday season. Please make sure you guys check back for that stuff. It's going to be so super fun. Okay, so let's keep moving here. What do we have? We have a bookmark that has Black Panther, the Avengers. How fun is that? Look at that. A two-sided bookmark. And then we have something on the back here. And the back looks like this. Hope you guys aren't getting a ton of glare, but there you go. That is super fun. Love that. I bet that's a handmade item. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a handmade item. He does stick handmade item things in my box because he knows how much I appreciate and love to get handmade things. So let's move on. I'm so sorry, guys. All right. Ooh, we have the, he likes to put a postcard in every single box, and he also includes the postage stamp so that you're able to send somebody a geeky hello. This time I have the amazing Spider-Man, and I love this one. It is, look at the colors on that. That is fun, guys. What? Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. That is awesome. And he does have the stamp in here for me as well. And then what do we have? It is a dangler, but who is it? Oh, stop. It is Spider-Man. Look at that, guys. Look at him. So he would be hanging. This is how it would be. He would be hanging upside down. Get it? That is so super fun. And then we have his little logo on the back of there. Somebody put a lot of work into this. This is a handmade item, and I love it. It is so awesome. It is going to go so great. I'm working on my little geeky area. I can't wait to share that with you guys too. I have so many fun things from Chad and other people that I'm so excited to put in this area. I can't wait to show it to you guys. It's not ready yet, but I'm working on it. Okay, let's move on. What do we have here? Wonder Woman gel pens. They're gel glitter pens. Yeah, that is so fun. Look at this, guys. That is so fun. I love it. I mean, I really, really love it. That is so fun. Oh, now I can write in style. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's move on. Oh, we got some more Wonder Woman stickers. I just got some Wonder Woman stickers from my friend Crystal, and now I have more, and I'm so excited because I do have plans for Wonder Woman. She is going to be part of my holiday. Oh, these are fun. Oh, wow, these are fun. Look at that. Oh, yes. But she is going to be part of the holiday geeky crafts that I'm going to be making. Oh, guys, what? I mean, what? These are going to be so fun. And then we have like the holographic ones. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if you guys can see those, but they're amazing. Just trust me on that. Ooh, and then we have another set here. Hello, there's a boatload that I'm going to be able to do stuff with. Okay, guys, head spinning. That is amazing. Wonder Woman is definitely going to be part of all of my holiday decor. All right, let's move on to the, oh, stop it. I can't. Okay, guys, I'm a huge Peanuts fan. I love Charlie Brown. I love the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. I'm going to do crafts with that next year. I didn't have enough time to do that this year, but next year it's definitely in. But I'm definitely thinking, check this out. That is so awesome. I'm definitely thinking that I'm going to be doing Charlie Brown for my Christmas tree this year. Yes, my main Christmas tree in my living room. Yeah, Charlie Brown. Why not? I think it's going to be pretty awesome. All right, so that's what I'm thinking, but I haven't done it yet. We'll have to see how that goes. What is this? Oh, stop it! Ah! This is awesome! Okay, most of you guys won't get as excited as I do about this stuff, but I love it. I'm so super stoked. But this is a 16-month for 2022 wall calendar of the Transformers. What? I'm so excited! Guys! I am so excited. Oh, look at all these pictures. Okay, so you know what's going to happen after the year's up? I am totally going to use this to craft with. I kid you not. Hopefully I can wait for the year to be up. We'll have to see how that goes. But I'm really excited about it, as you guys can see. Okay, what do we have in here? This might be why my box was so big. Stop it! What do they do? There's a thing that's trying to... Stop it! How fun is that, guys? Super Mario Brothers. I can't. Oh, stop it. And it moves and it makes noise. We're going to press it again. Look at that, guys. It's like I'm in there with them. That is too fun. I can't. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so fun. Oh, I got to keep this away from my son. This is awesome. Most people would give it to their kid, but yeah, negative. This is for me. Oh my gosh, Chad, this is awesome. How fun is that? So we got Mario and Luigi. I believe that's it, guys. Yes, and that's plenty. Wow, he killed it with this box. I mean, he always does. You know, Chad never disappoints, but I'm just saying it's a pretty awesome box. Okay. So let me set everything aside back into the box here, get myself ready, and I will be right back to show you the craft item challenge for the next month, as well as what we made for the last challenge. So hold on one second. Okay, guys, so now we get to the really fun part. Although unboxing it is really fun for me, I'm just saying. We're going to get to the fun part where I'm going to show you what we made with the last craft item challenge, and then I'm going to show you what the new craft item is for this next challenge. So the last challenge, he sent me a comic book, and he told me I could use the one that he sent to me or use any comic book to make something with. Well, I did use a different comic book, but I think I made something really cool. Now, I do have a ton of ideas for the comic books, and you're going to see those in future videos. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you've hit the subscribe button and you click the notification bell so you can see the super cool stuff that I'm going to make with other comic books in upcoming videos. So I'm first going to show you what Chad made, and then I'll show you what I made. So this little thing here has both in here, I think he said. So let's see what we got going on here. Hold on. Maybe I should have opened this first, huh? Oh, how fun! Okay. Okay, let's open this up here. What do we have here? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow, this is so cool. Okay. So we have a really cool box that it looks like he made, like a little storage trinket box kind of thing. Batman, hello! That is awesome. That he used the comic books for. I'm going to hold this like this, and here's the bottom of it. It's just, you know, wraps around the bottom, but you would only see the top part. So that is really awesome. So now I have a nice little box to put in my awesome display. And honestly, I might put some stuff in this that is geeky as well, and I'll just have it like an arrangement inside the box, so that'll be super fun. Stay tuned for that. I'll probably do that. So handcraft puzzles with storage box. Oh, he made oh did you make he made the puzzles with comic books? Oh, I'm impressed. I mean, really impressed. And it's got a little storage. Oh, stop. Look at this. Ooh, we have a very cool Spider-Man. Look at that. Ah, that is so cool. That is so fun. I love that. Okay, so, dude, he's got a whole puzzle in here that he made. He made the puzzle with the comic books. Okay, stop it, guys. That is too much. I mean, what? What? I cannot. Okay, so, I'm going to put this puzzle together and I will pop in a picture for you guys because that is just like the coolest thing ever. So I have my little box to store my puzzle in, and then I have the actual puzzle. That is super cool and pretty ingenious. I have to say so myself. I love it, Chad. That is awesome. So I'm sure I have a picture somewhere popping up so that you guys can see this awesome puzzle that Chad made with comic books. How cool is that? So he did a great job. So here's what I made with mine because, guys, I'm on a holiday kick. So I'm going to have a lot of holiday themed things coming up. And as soon as he said that I need to make some of the comic books, this was actually the first thing that popped in my head. So what I made was a Christmas tree. Ah! So one Spider-Man comic is what it took to make this little Christmas tree. And even the bows at the very top of it, guys, are comic books. So yeah, I made little bows at the top here out of comic books, and then obviously I just made a tree. There will be a full tutorial on this in one of my upcoming videos when I do Christmas geeky DIYs, so you will get to see how I made this tree, and I have other suggestions and options for making trees like this, especially if you want to make them to last. This one is just made out of the straight comic book, but I have other methods that you can use to make them sturdier and be more secure and longer lasting, so to speak. So this is what I made, and Chad made this amazing, I'm going to pop up the picture, here's this box and a puzzle. I mean, who has the time for that? A puzzle out of comic books. And he made it, guys. I mean, that's pretty impressive. And then I made this tree. So I'm curious to see, is this my craft item challenge for next time? Let's take a look at his little instructions here and see what we have going on. So it says, craft item challenge. You cannot make a keychain. Cannot. You cannot use anyone else's help or suggestions. Oh no, I'm on my own. You can use any items needed to craft an item. Keep it geeky. Okay, so my guess would be this is the challenge item. This little Spider-Man guy, he is super awesome. He is super cool. Let me brainstorm on that because I gotta be honest, guys, I don't have any idea what I'm going to do with this. None whatsoever. But it'll be fun. I'm sure I can think of something really fun, and I can use any additional items that I want to use for this. So, we'll see how that goes. All right, so that was super fun, guys. So, again, this was the Heroes Tower Mystery Box. You can find it on Cratejoy, and like I said, they have many other options available, so check out all the available options, and if you don't see one that is suitable for you, make sure that you reach out to Chad via email and let him know what you're interested in to see if maybe he can customize the box towards your likes. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And then there will be additional stuff if you guys want to tune back in for that video that will be happening later this month. So I'm going to unbox. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so now I have myself back together. I'm going to show you what okay, hold on one second. So that's not the craft that I'm going to show you for this one. I did make something for the comic books with this channel. Okay, I think I'm getting too far in the weeds. Hold on. Now, I did just make one craft to show to you guys for this video of what I made for... Okay, hold on.